made it with 29 minutes to spare. It's 10:33, as you can see, and I made it to my shipper. Oh, y'all, is that I had to get my APU fixed. I don't know if I told you or not. Either way, it's been fixed. I gotta go back there because my trailer is there, and tomorrow morning I have to check in and make sure that, you know, let them know that the APU worked overnight. But in the meantime, I'm at Walmart, and so I'm gonna get some food from Walmart, and then I'm gonna go to Pilot and go shower, and then I'm gonna head back to the place and stay the night. Guess what, y'all? I'm talking about this a lot, but I'm gluten-free, right? And I've always wanted, they've always had this right here. I've always had the chocolate ones, never these. I always end up getting glutinos. I have to show you later, but they got some of these. I'm gonna have to buy them. I'm so excited. I wasn't even gonna get nothing sweet, but I am now. All right, this will switch right over in just a second. I'm about to yes ma'am, get ready to go and basically pick up my trailer because my APU worked all night. So I'll check in with them and let them know that everything is good. And then this weather sucks today. But at least it wasn't raining yesterday, you know. All right, come on now, we at 10. Go on the flip over, come on. There we go. Time to go. All right, let's just think that this is cool. I didn't realize how big the reefer actually is. And of course it has to be flat on the other side to attach to a trailer because it's basically just going on the dry van. But I don't know, it's cool. This is a brand new one right there. And the tank. The fuel tank. Yeah, it's cool. Alright. APU is fine. I'm getting ready to go hook up to my baby. And head over to the international dealer to get my truck worked on. And they don't have, because I looked at, you know, doing my trip planning, looked online, looked on the overhead, and I was like, there isn't a lot of maneuverability here, you know. Where am I going to put a trailer? Do y'all have a drop lot? They were like, no, you need to find a place. So I found a truck stop / service plaza, and if I find something on the way there, I'll go somewhere else because I really don't want to take it to no service plaza. They say they have paid spots, they say they don't. I mean, there's free and some not free, and it also says that the lot is full right now, but I'm assuming by the time I get there it'll probably be somewhere where I can park. So yeah. Dude set me up nice. That's the front door, right? You can't see it, but anyway, getting ready to leave and head back to my truck. Oh no, my trailer. I'm praying that my trailer is still there. I really am. So I'm about to like hurry up and get over there so it can still be in that spot. That's what we hoping for. Y'all, I drove back to the APU shop. I specifically looked up the address for the service plaza. And I didn't want to use Trucker Path because Trucker Path be getting on my nerves. I'll be trying to listen to stuff, is rude. So I had to send that address to my, what do you call that little thing? GPS. So I did that, right? Sent the wrong address. I don't even think it was me. I think it was it, but whatever. So I got all the way there and I realized some of this stuff is starting to look a little bit too familiar, but I was like a mile out. So I turned around and I came, but I found the address, of course. So I found it on the GPS. It brought me here. I'm hooked up to my trailer. Kingpin, all that stuff is straight. Sure, I got a load, but I don't know to where. Hopefully I can still get the load tomorrow. But I'm about to eat and go to wash up and stuff and go to sleep. I won't be getting a shower today because I'm not leaving this spot. It's late. Ain't no showers here. So, hold on. We'll see. But if not, I'm gonna wash up and then I'll just have to catch my shower tomorrow. So truck is fixed, headlights work, all of that good stuff. And my arm is getting tired. I'll talk about the coolant later.